Alright, so we like money, so let's go back to our code, and we know this code right here is clean and works, so we're going to copy it, Control C, and paste it, Control V. So now I'm going to go to my CC search, I'm going to copy my rich text, right, and I'm going to paste it in here and give it credit. Oop. There, now it's clean. Okay, so here's the code, the credit, and now I'm going to save my picture, save image, call it loot.jpg, save it. I'm going to my code.org, add image, upload file, and then let's find loot. There it is. There it is. So now it's in my folder. Loot, it's right there. So I'm going back to my new. And again, image source. Instead of game, we're going to do loot. And you're going to use whatever picture you want. It doesn't matter to me. Well, obviously school appropriate. And then alternative text, we'll call it money or cash. Okay, so now I've got my HTML page, and I've got my credits in there. So I'm going to go to the next one. Oh, look at that. We just did this already. We've already done this. We just did this right now. So we uploaded our new images in our project on new 2, right? The game guy and the money. Cool. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, so on to the next one. Add HTML to make the page you sketched in your project guide. Oh, we're skipping the project guide because I don't want to. You guys are smart enough to do this without a project guide. Okay. So this is good. Let's continue. For each page, make sure it has a navigation bar that links to the other pages on your site. For a review of the navigation bar, go to blah 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 blah. Okay, so basically they want you to add another link to the next page, which would be new 2. So all we're going to have to do is copy this, because we know this code's good. Control C, enter, Control V, and we're going to make this one new 2. And remember, you can make it whatever you want. You can name it whatever you want. Just make sure you have the name and it all matches up. I'll put likes. Okay, so now I've got my 3 links. Back to home, food, new 2. So I'm going to go back to my index, and I'm going to copy these links, because I know they're all good. Control C, copy, right below the body, right? Now I'm going to go to new 1, right below the body, hit enter, Control V, and now I've added the links here as well, right? And I'm going to do the same thing to new 2. There's the body. Control V. And here are my links. So now all 3 of my pages will link to each other. So they're all nice. Alright, they want us to add a footer at the bottom that explains the copyright information. Let's see what they got here. Blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Okay, so basically we're just going to copy this code. Control C, copy. Right? And then we're going to go to our page. And at the end, Control V. And there it is right there. And then we're going to go to our other page. Control V. There it is. And our other page. Control V. And there it is. Ooh, I found an error in my project. Here. There we go. So now this is not all sloppy, right? I just had to make sure I put the P open and close. Do I have that for any other ones? I do. Look right here. Sloppy. Sloppy, sloppy. P. And close it off. Alright, that's nice. Okay, on to the next one. Review your project. Okay, the index is good, it looks nice. The new one is good, it looks nice. This one is still a hot mess, right? Because I have just random pictures. I don't have any information. So let's go ahead and use some of this info. I'm just going to copy this straight up. So I'm going to use an H1 here. So I'm going to copy this piece, these, this, and this. And then I'm closing my unordered list. Control C. I'm going to my new. Here's my links. So I want it after this, but I want it before the video game guy. So I'm going to paste it here, right? So there's my guy. Okay, and I'm going to change this to video games are fun. Video games are fun. PS4, Xbone, Xbox One, and Switch. Now, so I've got a picture of the guy with video games, and then I've got my info. And then I've got the foods that are bad for you. I want to put this after the picture, right? So let's go ahead and take this code up all the way up to from foods that are bad for you. Control X. And then again, here's my picture. I'm going to hit enter and paste. Control V. Here, let's give us some more room. Okay, so now I've got the gamer guy. Video games are fun. Then I've got the money. I'm going to change the header to cash. And then on the list, I'm going to go bills, coins, I don't know, gift cards, debit cards. Let's do gift cards. I like gift cards. Okay, so now we have all our pages linked to each other, right? I can go to all of them. Bink, bink, bink. Oh. Watch this video. Oh, and then we're going to share it. Click share. And now this link right here is what you're going to send to me. So you're going to copy it. I'm going to copy, and then just email me that link, right? And then do this survey, and you are finished. Good job.